Hello everyone, welcome to another video from me. And if you remember, well, last December I have published a video where I have given a complete tour of my hobby room, my work area, giving a complete insight of every part, every section from left to right, explaining all the details. And the most thing that caught the attention of the viewers was the drawer, which I have hidden beneath my main work area. People called it the secret drawer, the hidden drawer. And this is it. And people asked questions about it exactly, so I decided to make this video to help other viewers maybe make their own hidden drawer beneath their work area to hide the tools or whatever they seem necessary. So that's it, fully inside, not noticeable, and it helps me. The best thing is that it helps me keep my work area relatively clean. Not that it's not completely clean, however, with the drawer there were major improvements, let's call it like that. So before, the majority of these tools were used to running around on the desk, here and there, blades, brushes, but now they are neatly placed inside this drawer. And speaking of this drawer, the first setup I had on my room, I had a computer, and so this used to be the shelf that housed the keyboard and the mouse. Whenever I was using the computer, I simply pull out the drawer, use the keyboard and mouse, put it back in. Once I removed the computer, I was left with an empty shelf, which I had the option to adapt or else remove. I decided to adapt it and transform it into a compartment for all the tools you are seeing. Basically, I simply bought some plastic sheet, the one in yellow. I have calculated what compartments I wanted, cut to size, and simply attached on the shelf directly. Speaking of compartments, I have divided them so that the first one has some scribers and airbrush cleaning, tweezers, blades, cutting knives, round brushes, flat brushes, markers, cotton buds, toothpicks, files, and this is the area where I usually place my mobile to play some tunes. You can see the 3.5mm jack over there connected to my stereo system. However, right now it's empty because the mobile is over here. That's why. And speaking of, if you want to make one yourself, speaking of attaching it to your work area, these are simply brackets that are used for drawers. The same brackets as used for the drawers, like these, with the runners to make it possible for it to come out and go back. Just the drawers are longer, these are a little bit shorter. Speaking of brackets, however, they are the same runners, bought from a normal hardware store. And once it's fully inside, let me get into the work area. As you can see, my feet are over there, and there is still a lot of clearance from my feet to the drawer, so no, it doesn't interfere with sitting down or anything. And whenever I'm working and I need a particular tool, I simply go back, pull out the drawer, take the tool, the drawer goes back in, and I can continue working. And that leaves my work area, as I've said before, as clean as possible. I decided to make this video in case you want to make a hidden drawer yourself, which will become very useful. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Let me know in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe to me. Thank you if you have already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.